So that brings us to prompt engineering. What do you do? How do you communicate with this thing? You realize that the English language is source code, and you're going to use tokens, which are fragments or concepts in vector space. How many of you are comfortable with definition of vector space? That's about the same number of people who had seen the World Wide Web in 1995 when I gave a seminar on the World Wide Web in San Jose, California. So, let me explain today. Give me a list of pros and cons that'll help me decide why I should or shouldn't. Analyze the top performers in my field. Give me a list of the most important lessons I can learn from them to boost my productivity. I'm currently learning about Python. Shakespeare. Ask me a series of questions that will test my knowledge and identify knowledge gaps in my answers and give me better answers to fill in those gaps. One of the examples was the difference between causation and correlation. Oh, I know this, and I started answering questions. Well, Jim, you've got a couple of gaps there. Eek. Identify and share the most important 20% of learnings from this topic that will help me understand 80% of it. I love that one. Generate a list of the most powerful prompts that will help someone in my profession get more done and save time. Like, just ask it to help you. Just think it as the most amazing cheat code ever. The machine says, it's a tiger. The human says, wait a minute, something else is going on here. It's a dog. There are some things humans do that are beyond understanding, but they do not pass the smell test. A human can look at this and go, you know, that's just not going to work. I'm just, no. I walked into a major hospital in the men's room and found this. I was mesmerized. I did it about 5 times to make sure I wasn't hallucinating, and then I did a couple more so I could get the video, and I came out and my wife said, are you okay? You were in there a long time. And then this is the one that I use at home. This is who I am. I want you to be my prompt engineer, my prompt creator. Your aim is to assist me in creating the best possible prompts, et cetera, and then come up with a variety of prompts, and then compare them and contrast them and decide which one's better and tell me about it, and I'll give you feedback, and then give me another best prompt. And iterate.